zombie apocalypse.
What is happening, guys? Welcome to I'm Face Rolls Forum Exploring Episode 5, a new series which I'll be sharing with you every Monday. In this series we'll dig deep into the forums and bring you some custom PCs like no others. And as always, we'll leave a direct link to the thread in the description below. Let the forum exploring begin. So this week, guys, going for build number 7, sticking with the traditional Scratch build. We're going to choose Scratch build. We are going to go here and go number of views. We want to bring up those popular ones. Going to keep it descending, and we are also going to go the beginning of time, pretty much the beginning of when this whole forums came alive. The most popular build since then. So we will click show threads and we'll see what we find. Okay, guys, we're going to be going with Project Phoenix Nano Tower. Please leave your comments down below. Tell me what you like about this build and we'll get into it. Straight off the bat, guys, he has planned his build with some 3D images. Always good to start off a build like this. It really helps you plan out all your cuts and everything like that. Make sure that you get the perfect precision cut. So he's gone ahead and done that, and we can see here that his project's mostly going to be made out of aluminium and perspex. Okay, guys, so he started by drilling out and jigsawing his main frame of the build as well as his motherboard tray. Now this is all aluminium and he screwed them all together. So now that he's made his motherboard tray, which is down below a bit, I'll scroll down to it for you guys. Right there, so this is going to be a very, very small build indeed. Good for LANs, one might say. So he's actually gone ahead and sleeved all of these cables himself instead of going and buying some professional ones done. I think he's done quite a nice job, and once he gets the cable combs on them, they'll look very nice. So he's gone ahead and cut out his front and side panels, and he has screwed them on, and now he's actually planning some more cutouts. It looks like hexagon shapes, and it looks like he's going to be putting some acrylic behind that. So once he puts some LED lights there, that will glow nicely and that will really make the build pop. So guys, he's actually cut out some acrylic bits. These are going to light up nicely in the build. This is a fluorescent yellow greeny colour, so with a bit of LEDs behind that, that will really look nice. And this is what they look like joined on to the build. There's a lot more acrylic pieces that he's cut out. Very nice detail there. I like how he's going for the detail, and all of these bits of acrylic, they're going to light up nice as well. And I'm assuming that these will be glued on where he actually cut the hexagonal shapes out of his panels. So it's going to be a really interesting design, and I can't wait to see the finished result. So here's the front panel actually cut out with the yellow bits installed. Looking very nice and very clean, definitely. And I like how he's cleaned up the aluminium there. It's really, really made it pop and stand out. Just fantastic work. So here we have the addition of the yellow acrylic as well as some LED lights, which he's putting behind it. As I said, that'll make it glow very nicely, and the final result will be a really clean build. So all of his panels and brackets have all been painted, it's looking very clean, and I like the addition of that cutout text there. That will make it pop. The build name, Nano Tower, so he'll put the yellow acrylic behind that and light that up. So he went ahead and cut out these little rings to house his reservoir. He's going to put that around his reservoir, and that'll look really clean there. And I really think once that's lit up and the liquid's running through the reservoir, it'll make for a nice, bright, clean look, and that liquid is going to look fantastic. So he's starting to install all of his components with some nice cable management there. You can see right there at the back of the build the SSDs and the optical drive all installed, looking very clean indeed. So here's his top plate, guys, for the build. Looking very clean. He's got some more of the acrylic installed up the top there, as you can see, and that'll be going on top of the build, and the build is pretty much finished, almost finished. Very clean look, and with some LEDs as always, that'll make it glow and look very nice. Here we have it, guys, the final result, looking fantastic. It's got the LEDs on, making it glow nice and bright. The paint finish, fantastic. As any makeup artist would say, it's on fleek. Sorry, I got that from my girlfriend. I know, it's terrible. The back there, he's got the extra paint job of the hexagons behind there, so I'll just pause on that for a second for you guys. And just overall, a fantastic job, aesthetically pleasing, and the hexagons really bring out the build. And I like the addition of that side window there, so you can see components as well on the inside. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, please comment down below, tell me what you liked about this build, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys. Click here to check out our latest custom PCs that we've built from scratch. Do you have a PC you want featured on the channel? Well, click here to see what other PCs have been featured. Are you into gameplay? Click here to see our latest gameplay content. Thanks for watching guys, your feedback is always helpful, so be sure to leave a comment down below and we'll see you in the next one.